Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to get Apple Intelligence on any iPhone. So we are going to talk about this topic. So it's a common misconception that every iPhone will get Apple Intelligence, so we are debunking that right now. So I'm here to inform you guys that right here, these are the iOS 18 supported devices, and it's only gonna work with the SE and XR and above basically. So the A12 Bionic chip is required for it to run at the highest performance. So it might get Apple Intelligence in the XR and the SE, but it's gonna be really slow. I'm not gonna kid you guys. So from there, basically you want to go to your settings and then general, and then you want to go to your software updates and update your phone to iOS 18 first. So if you haven't done that, go ahead and update it, and you can also get it in iOS 18 developer beta. So don't you worry guys, you will get iOS 18 by default as a subsidiary type of actual update this coming January. So here, your Siri will be replaced by Apple Intelligence and Siri, and it's gonna look something like this. So here, there you go. And then all you have to do is join the Apple Intelligence waitlist, and you'll get Apple Intelligence on your iPhone as soon as you are in the waitlist. So why does it not give you instant access is because they are still working on it. They might have released iOS 18, but it's still on beta mode where it's still being developed and it's not fully done yet. So you only have to join the waitlist for Apple Intelligence, and then you'll be able to get it once they approve you for a user. So there you go guys, that is how you get Apple Intelligence on any iPhone. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.